Sun changed its exaltation house, that is Aries, and Sun enters into house of Venus, and now Venus enters in the house of Mercury, that is Gemini. So it's a big shift. I don't know how many of you have done something remarkable, because Sun was exalted, Venus was Swakhetri, Saturn in its Janma Nakshatra, Ketu in its own Nakshatra, Saturn in its own Nakshatra in Uttar Bhadrapada, Jupiter in its own Nakshatra, Punarvasu. So it was really remarkable, because Jupiter, Saturn, Ketu all in its own nakshatra, means Jupiter in Jupiter nakshatra, Punarvasu, Saturn in Uttar Bhadrapada in its own nakshatra, and in Magha, Ketu, that is own nakshatra, and Sun was exalted and Venus was Swakhetri. I hope so many of you have taken some logical steps in life when so many planets were very strong. So almost for all signs, it was very significant. At the same time, Mercury also enters sign of Venus, that is Taurus. Mercury was also in Revati, that is in its own nakshatra. So previously it was Jupiter Mercury exchange, Jupiter in house of Mercury, Gemini, and Mercury in house of Jupiter, Piscean. Now it is exchange in between Venus and Mercury, because Mercury enters Taurus, and dispositor of Mercury, Venus, enters sign of Mercury, Gemini. So it's very significant time for all Venus and Mercury signs, that is Taurus and Libra and Virgo and Gemini. For Taurus ascendant, 4th lord and 2nd lord enters, so something very new in earning income. Some income can start and work from home only, because both are in 0 degree, so it's a new beginning. For Gemini, 7th lord and 10th lord, Jupiter is in ascendant, Jupiter entered ascendant, Jupiter is in ascendant, which is leaving in a month. Jupiter changes sign in June 2nd. And for Gemini, 12th lord Venus and 5th lord Venus is in ascendant. So 5th lord Venus is definitely very good. It opens your luck. Might be from a very distant land, some luck opens for you. For Cancer ascendant, the changes in 11th and 12th house, so income and expenses has some new beginning. You have to control your expenses though. For Leo, it is good because 10th lord is in 10th, so it's a Malavya Yoga since last 1 month. Now 11th and 10th exchange, so there might be some opportunity of new income, new job. For Scorpio, change in 7th and 8th house, something sudden may happen in relationship, or some job change, or some changes with your spouse. Similar for Sagittarius, as 6th and 7th house exchange is there, so something related to your spouse and job might happen, or you might change or start a business also with job, the small one. For Capricorn, exchange in between 5th, 6th, so something related to your hobby and work, kids and work of your kids. For Aquarius, it is better, it is exchange of 4th and 5th. One is Kendra and Cone.